Hello lad, I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom. So what I'm gonna tell you today is how to import and export LUT in DaVinci Resolve. Before we're going to do that, what is LUT? L-U-T. LUT stands for lookup table. It's not a preset like Premiere Pro that you can adjust on any photo. LUT or lookup table have to use in specific file, like this LUT is for red, this LUT is for Ali, or this LUT Panasonic GS5, Vlog, whatever. But there will be a lot of LUT that you have to know, like 1D and 3D LUT. I will make another episode just only about LUT. But basically knowing that LUT is not a tool that you can adjust to any photo. So I'm gonna tell you how to install and export LUT in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go to DaVinci Resolve. So I go to the editing page, or I can go to the color page. I click the project setting. I go to color management. And then man, let's go down until we see lookup table or LUT. So what I'm gonna do is open the LUT folder. So this window will come up, and then I will go to this drive, which is I have DHR LUT or DustyHueRoom LUT. So what I'm gonna do is I just copy and paste in the Blackmagic LUT folder. And then after you finish that, you go back to the program. You click update list. So this update will take you a little while. After you update the list, save. Then when you right click on the node, go to LUT, so 3D LUT, and then your folder will come up here. So you can make a new folder inside the LUT folder, which is really easy. Look at mine, so I have a lot of it, like FG, look AE LUT collection. You just apply it. Easy, right? Really easy. Then how to export LUT. So let me try do something here. Maybe I do this, do that, blah blah blah. So I want to export this LUT. Then I go to the clip, see the thumbnail, I right click, and then I can generate 3D LUT cube or 3D LUT Panasonic VLUT, but basically I'm gonna use cube. Then find the place, the location, put it a name like maybe DHR03. Then I press save, go to that folder. So see, I got DHR03 LUT now. That is how it is, man. And a little tip is, you can go to here and then you just screw your cursor. See, it will preview a LUT for you, so then you will know what it look like after you putting that LUT. And if you want to put it, just double click. So if you have any questions, just comment below and feel free to ask me on my YouTube or page. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom. And see you soon in the next episode. สวัสดีครับ